project site at Pittsburgh International's new airport terminal. What you see right behind me right now is where the new terminal building footprint is going. We're working on structural slabs right now in preparation for the steel, vertical steel to starting to be placed. What you see out there on the blue area is where the new terminal and the existing terminal will have that connection. That's our current TGI Friday space right on the other side of that blue. And the new terminal is going to be coming out right here. That'll include, ticketing, baggage claim, security, and actually 4 new outdoor terraces for outdoor spaces. 2 are going to be pre-security and 2 are going to be post-security. So people will have access once they get through the security, waiting for their airplanes. They'll have access to the outdoors and be able to come and enjoy the space. In the state of Pennsylvania, on public projects, public vertical projects, because of the Separations Act, we are primarily a design bid build state. So we have set up our team with that in mind, certainly. We have an executive program manager, Pasley Management Group. Then we have in the program management office, we have Jacobs Engineering, and then several sub-consultants. And then we have actually chosen to split our project up into 2 separate areas. One being the new terminal project, which you see being built behind us, and then all of the site and infrastructure work associated with that, the new roadway and bridges that are connected to that. That's all in one of the silos of the project. Then the other silo of the project is our multimodal complex, which includes our parking garage, various parking lots, and all of the numerous functions associated with that, the rent-a-car areas, our customer service building, and stuff like that. We wanted this to be a project that was built for Pittsburgh, and maybe more importantly, by Pittsburgh. So we wanted to use as many of the local resources that we had. In our terminal projects, we have a construction manager, which is of the joint venture of PJ Dick and Hunt team. Then we have a construction manager on the multimodal complex, which is Turner Aviation. We also have the design of the new terminal being led by a joint venture of Gensler and HDR in association with Luis Vidal Architects. And then on the multimodal complex side, we have the design team being led by Michael Baker, who is a local engineering firm.
We have a partnership with OSHA established out here on the project. It's unique in the fact that it's the only one of its kind with an owner. It's one of the few of this size and scope. And what we do, we partner with OSHA. We invite them onto the project. We want to have an open relationship with them to see what we can learn from them, what they can learn from us. Just to have this ongoing relationship between now and the end of the project. We're not scared to invite OSHA in. We invite them in, and we just want to work closely with them.
So right now where we're standing is approximately right where the bridges are going to be, which will be meeting up with the front of the building. So if you take a look behind me, you're going to be able to see basically the footprint of the building out here. The roadway package is going to be connecting all the way out to the parkway. Brand new system, about 6 bridges are going to be included into that, and then spit you right back out over onto the ramp, which will take you back around to the parking lot.
What you see out here now is really all the work continuing on those foundations and getting ready for steel. So, we're really complete with all those micropals. We've installed, I think, 140 caissons for the new terminal. What they're working on today really is the structural slabs, and they're getting ready for the installation of structural steel and starting to go vertical in the next, 4 to 6 weeks. There used to be jetways and passenger boarding bridges right near where every one of those red circles are that you see around the entire complex. So, one of the enabling projects originally was removing all those passenger boarding bridges and getting this space ready for construction, really fencing in this entire construction area, and then doing some unique things like we actually closed our taxiway Bravo for this entire project. Taxiway Bravo now is where all construction workers come into the project site. It's where all the haul route so we wanted to keep every construction vehicle possible off the airport roadways. So they use our taxiway Bravo to actually come into this construction site, and it's worked extremely well. This is really operating over an active people mover tunnel, the train tunnel that goes from land side to air side. We have all of our utility tunnels under there. So all of this we must maintain activity under that. We can't close those tunnels for any length of time. And you can see some of the columns start to come up that are going to be the new airport roadway system. So that's going to be the roadway for departing traffic, for commercial arrivals, for arrivals, for everything is going to be right where that, you see those columns that are being formed. That'll be the new roadway system. I think it's like 1,300 foot long bridge structure that is actually 2 levels of bridge and then the base level, so 3 levels total for traffic that is being constructed right now. That will be meeting right up against that new head house that is being built right out in front of us today.